Want to legally keep more of your money? TurboTax's Deductions Finder is like a detective that searches for every tax break you qualify for. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The software does this through its interview process. As you answer questions about your life, home ownership, education, medical expenses, charitable donations, TurboTax is matching your answers to potential deductions and credits. You can also actively use the Deductions and Credits section. Browse categories like home and mortgage, medical, or charitable donations to see lists of possible deductions and see if any apply to you. My crucial pro tip: don't overlook the It's Deductible tool for donations. If you donated non-cash items like clothes or furniture, this free TurboTax tool helps you value them at IRS-accepted prices, maximizing your charitable deduction without the guesswork. Let the software guide you to every dollar you deserve. What deduction are you most grateful for this year? The standard deduction or something you itemized? Tell us. For more money-saving tax strategies, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.